Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. This means you never handle the product yourself. The beauty of dropshipping lies in its simplicity and low startup costs. You can start with just a website and a few clicks. To kick off your dropshipping journey, first, choose a niche that excites you. Then, set up your online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Next, find reliable suppliers on sites like AliExpress or Oberlo. Once your store is live, market your products through social media and SEO to attract customers. The positives of dropshipping include low overhead, flexibility, and a wide product range. However, it does come with challenges like lower profit margins and reliance on suppliers. Despite these, many view dropshipping as a viable career because it allows for scalability and the potential for passive income. It's a smart way to generate revenue with minimal risk, making it an appealing option for aspiring entrepreneurs.